that's constantly on the grind. Bitches know I'm a baller, must be the way that I shine. Sipping no fun, cognac and VIP in the club. Making the point to separate all of these bitches from drugs. Stomping in lugs, nigga fuck them Air Force Ones. Give me some Levi's, the white t-shirt and 2 guns. Do it hog style and make them round for that raw shit. Show them the difference between real and counterfeit. Take that bitch, make them dip and do the cha-cha. Up this straight call I don't roam, pumping up. And by the end of the night, I'm hitting with the nails in my back, screaming out. Yo, son, child, getting freaky, give me casa. If she kinky, then I spank her with that chocolate. It don't stop, I can't hold back. Niggas ass rock, I do what I do. Shit, it's like that. Like this, it's like that. It's like that, yo, it's like this. It's like this, it's like that. It's like that, yo, it's like this. It's like that, it's like this. It's like that, yo, it's like this. It's like that, it's like this. It's like that, yo, it's like this. I keep it locked so niggas can't run up in my spot. Recline the seat, turn up the beat and they roll out in the drop. The status is hot, the hoes with the niggas I'm cold. On 20s or 20 O's everywhere that I roll. Presidents vote and chickens start performing the flock. Some like to make they do pop a hood to show me they stop. A nigga from the block with plenty cabbage in the tight flow. The Escalade with TVs, I'm 20 old. Sitting dope with alcohol in my cup. Haiti boots speaking the truth when I get fucked up. Intoxicated with the key in my hand. Doing the 100 on the dime. Catch me if you can. I'm a bad man, ladies, and I need to be spanked. Plus I'm a threat to these niggas, that's why they stay getting yanked. How about that geek it go, let's straight me back. And when they ask why I do what I do, I say it's like that. It's like this, it's like that. It's like that, it's like this. It's like this, it's like that. It's like that, it's like this. Come on, baby, baby, drop that ass to the ground. And once you walk up a sweat, then we can go on this man. Make up you right, and take the stones and all the colors. And after we finish, the bitches gon' get some sun. Up in my hood, make a lot of good for the back. Yes, I'm backwards, and listen to somebody go back. Come for competition, and come for a crowd. And at the end of the night, you gotta go. It's like in the ground for big downs with big doors. Drop some shit in they liquor, the quicker they come off they clothes. Touching they toes, soaking wet in they pantyhose. Giving them company a bank up performing private shows. Nigga Rose is hot, cause they girl in the spot. Taking off her clothes, showing everything she got. Pulling up blocks, cause I just let they hoes a Mickey. But I'm always ready for drama, cause situations get sticky. If niggas tell me, ain't no telling what I might do. It depends how I'm feeling and what I'm had to drink to. Hand in the room, I'm grabbing them back, slapping them twice. Beating with their own shit, then taking all of their ice. Making tracks, straight dipping through the back of the club. Put the bar to the smoking part on top of my dubs. Bit off slugs, hit the pedal, smash it, laugh. And when they ask why I did what I did, I say it's like that. It's like that, it's like that, yo, it's like this. It's like this, it's like that. It's like that, yo, it's like this. It's like that, 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 yo, it's like this. It's like that.
My penetration deep to the root, the boldness, speaking the truth with no shame. Hold weight in massive amounts, beyond what would usually crush my whole frame. Vocal presence erupts in the booth, spit fire and liars corrupting the youth with self-destructive jargon, harming the mind, paid to rhyme, it's still not productive. Yo, I capture attention, rap in a session, it's the master of perception. No special effects, just spoken text in three-dimensional flesh. Broken down, conscious and concise. I rock it precise for all types of minds and intelligence. Ripping relevant rhetoric, no side effects or an S. Live and direct, my mic check, correct technique. I kill the beat and let it rest in peace. Yeah, shoot out the lights, still shine bright. Represent Christ, still rhyme tight. Raw reality, skilled MCs, slaughtering tracks, yo, we kill the beat. Shoot out the lights, still shine bright. Represent Christ, still rhyme tight. Raw reality, skilled MCs, slaughtering tracks, yo, we kill the beat.
Indigenous traits of street cycles, rivals in war stands, formation tribal. Officials with shed blood without cause, according to government's clause. Slanderous propaganda expose man's flaws. We are legends living ahead of our time. Christ anointed with non-material rhymes. Counterfeits not prominent, we're dominant. Direct hit, heat seek missile disintegrates target. We are who we hate, reflective image of a loving heavenly Father. Most of the world shoves away. I pray I stay outgoing hours without end to save men. Then again, who am I to see from my view reveal self-identity? I am a man of royal captain, anxious to kill the beat, or for my own